Hello everyone, welcome to Talent Developer. In this tutorial we are going to learn about less than and less than equal to. If you remember, in last tutorial we have learned what is greater than and greater than equal to. So what is less than? First of all we have to understand. So if you see here, right, here I am having the field as a class and the value is a 6, and if you open another one you can see the value as a 7. Suppose we need to do some query like those user who is reading below than 6 class. So how we can achieve? For that we need to use less than query. So how we can write? We have to follow same structure. Like we have to enter the field name, then here we need to change. So less than, that means L than T, right? LT. You have to use dollar sign, and after that you have to put your value. So you can come here and just change the query as a LT, and here I am just going to put as a 6. So what we can expect the output? We'll get the all the user those who is reading below than 6 class. Now you can run. So once you will run, you can see the class 2, class 5, and you can just click here. You can see here 2, 5, 2, 1. Now we are getting the all the output those user who is reading below than 6 class. Suppose we need to do query like less than and equal to 6. So what we can do? Less than, that means L T, and equal to, so just you have to enter E, right? Now you can run your query. Now you can see, right, you are getting the output those user who is reading in class 6 and below than 6, right? You can cross check, right? You can go scroll down, you can see all the result, and if you click next you can see how many results you are getting, right? So this is a way to get less than and less than equal to query.